Hey guys, welcome to another weekly update on our portfolio on eToro. This is we got one more full week in November for investing, but this week's been a good week. We saw a gain of 1.91%, and we are sitting currently on just over 25% for the year, right at 5% for the month of November, and next week's going to be our last full week for the month of November before we go into December. So far been a really good month. This is my profile that we're seeing on eToro. Great platform if you're looking to invest somewhere. But this is how the year's tracked so far. You can see the results throughout the year. It's been a good year, especially after last year. We saw 24+% gain last year. It looks like we're going to see another good year. There's no reason December shouldn't finish the year off strong as well. And then we may have a bit of a dip going into 2025. But here you can see my risk score. We usually sit between a 3 and a 5 for our risk score, sitting with 12 copiers and between 50 and 100,000 US assets under management or assets copying our portfolio. So thank you to all those that do. If you're looking to get started investing and you want to copy our portfolio, you can do that on eToro. Jump in the comments, let me know you want to get started. I can help you out there. I don't give financial advice, but I'm more than happy to help talk through some of the things in getting started. Some statistics here. So far we're sitting at 66%, 0.07% profitable weeks, which is good. And you can see average hold time, trades per week, etc. Right now our portfolio is pretty simple, which truthfully I keep our portfolio simple majority of times because simple is usually the best way to go about things. When you try to get fancier, you're moving around a lot. That's generally when you get hurt. So these are our ETFs. In here we've got VTI, VOO, and VUG. VTI is the entire US market. So almost 4,000 companies, just the entire market. It's our biggest position. And then VOO is the S&P 500. That's actually where we put our kids' college fund. So that's where we put some money aside for our kids' college, or if they want to start a business later in life, or if they, it's for their future. So that's where we put that. And then VUG is growth companies. So there's about 600 companies. About 300 companies there. You're looking at growth companies, so companies that usually outperform the GDP, and that's there. When I mentioned 600, I was thinking of the small cap companies, which is in the ETF IJR, which we're currently not holding. IJR by BlackRock. That's the 600 companies. The 300 is VUG, your growth companies. And these are our current positions. Next week we'll be depositing some more funds and investing some more into these ETFs. And so we're, again, like I said, we're just keeping it real simple right now. And that's kind of our investment strategy, is just to keep things simple. Look for the long-term results, not for the immediate results. And so, but more long-term, dollar cost averaging, just depositing, investing, letting it do its thing. Next month we've got dividends coming, so that's going to be great. Reinvest those. As I say, if you're riding the roller coaster, ride the waves. The people that get hurt are those that jump off the roller coaster. So stay on the roller coaster. Just ride the ride. Ride the ups and downs. And you can see recently, leading into election, leading into some uncertainty, things like that, the market was unsure in this month of October. And now with knowing where we're heading, knowing where things are going, the market's picked back up, and I suspect it will have another positive month in December as we close out the year, and then we'll go into January, and next year may start off a little bit rough, but we will see what happens. Ride the waves, enjoy the ride, look to the long term, invest with 5+ years in mind. But if you have any questions or you want to chat more, or if you're wondering what investing's all about and what it's like, I've been investing now for 10+ years. Ridden a few waves. 2022 wasn't too fun, but and then all that stuff. So comment below if you have questions. Comment below. I'll do a video on it. But other than that, follow along, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. We'll see you next time.